Hey everyone, welcome back to Technowaves. Today we have got something really excited for all music lovers. A mini digital speaker from a KingFast company, and the model number is E1078. According to this mini speaker, it has a USB high quality active speaker with light for mobile phones, computer or any 3.5 mm port devices. In this video, we will unbox it and check out all its features and of course the test sound quality live so you know exactly what to expect. So let's get started. But before starting, if you are new here, please do subscribe to our Technowaves channel, and if you found this video helpful, then like. Now let's start it. So here's the box of this KingFast E1078. Right on the front, it highlights its mini digital speaker designed with features like USB input has. And yes, now let's open it first. Inside the box we get these mini speakers, and yes, it has a USB cable and a 3.5 mm audio jack input. And here we can see it has volume control that is inline to control the speaker's volume. So let me quickly walk you through all the features of this KingFast mini speakers. It is very compact, you can see, portable design, perfect for travel, small in size but stylish. Now alright, now let's put this little speakers to the test. Let me quickly connect this to my laptop. And guys, you can see here what amazing lights. It's RGB lighting. Wow, this feature looks very impressive, and you can see it is suitable to my laptop. Wow. As you have heard guys, the sound is loud and clear and punchy for such a small speakers. The vocals are crisp and even the bass feels decent considering its mini size. I love the sound quality guys. Yes, this makes it perfect for small gatherings, personal listenings or even using outdoors. Or if you are a gamer who need a small speakers for gaming purpose, so this will be such amazing speakers. Yes, it's suitable for all you want to do, but it's not for a party and all. So overall guys, this mini digital speakers from KingFast is a great budget friendly speakers that packs a lot features in a tiny body. So what do you think about it guys? So let me know in the comments. And that's it for today's unboxing and reviewing of this mini digital speakers. Honestly, for the price and size, it delivers a solid performance with multiple playback options. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Technowaves channel and hit the bell icon so you can never miss future unboxing and reviews. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.